our respected MLAs of West Khasi Hills district, Sri Methodius Akar, Honorable MLA of Motionrut, Sri Gabriel Wala, Honorable MLA of Nongstoiñ constituency, Sri R.G. Momin, Honorable MLA of Ramrai constituency, our Principal Secretary and all the other officials who are present on the dais, all the other officials of different line departments, all our headmen and traditional heads of different villages who have come here to be part of this CM Connect program. And most importantly, all my dear citizens of Nongstoiñ block and West Khasi Hills district. I first of all would like to thank God for this opportunity and this wonderful day that He has blessed us all with, where we are getting a chance to meet and discuss many things about West Khasi Hills district and specific issues related to your villages. CM Connect is most probably one of the most important programs of this government. It is most probably the most important program for me, because this is an opportunity where we get to listen to the problems that our citizens are facing. You get an opportunity to share the problems with the officials and with the Chief Minister directly. It's like having an assembly session in every block. It's like having a question hour in every block. Except that it's not just the MLAs who will ask the question, but it is you, the people of the state, who will ask the questions to the Chief Minister and to the officials. We normally get to hear this wherever we go, that only when the assembly elections are approaching will we find MLA and Minister and Chief Minister coming. But we are here to assure you that it is not just during an MLA election or assembly election, but throughout our term, our desire and our objective is to connect with you and to be able to resolve your problems. Also, whenever there is a government program, you will only hear the speech of the chief guest and the guest of honor and the officials. But you never get an opportunity to speak in a government program. Hence, the CM Connect is a very special program where the Chief Minister and officials come to you directly. You can ask questions directly. And most importantly, It is a two-way communication and not just one-way communication where I come and I give my speech. The objective of CM Connect is not only to listen to your problems. Yes, it is a very important part, but it is only one part of the objective of CM Connect. You have to understand what happens when CM Connect takes place. When CM Connect program takes place, the entire system gets activated. It's not about this 1 hour where I will listen to your questions, but it is about the impact it will have on the governance or the government machinery as a whole. Because our health officials will be ready with their replies. Our PWD officials will be ready with their replies. The PHE department, and like that, all departments will have to do their homework, will have to prepare, and will have to respond to your questions. So we may actually ask only 10, 15, 20 questions today, but the impact of having a CM Connect is to activate the system and the government machinery as a whole. And that's why CM Connect is very, very important program, because it not just involves this 1 hour program, but it actually activates the system. It helps us to deliver the services better. It helps us to reach the mandate which we are here as a government to do, which is to serve the people of our state. Whether it's the officials, whether it's the MLAs, whether it's the government or the chief minister, we are all here to serve all of you. And CM Connect helps each one of us remind us of this mandate and this particular service that we are here to give to each and every one of you. And that is why I have been urging MLAs, DCs, BDOs, all officials, please have your own Connect program. It is not just CM Connect. You can have an MLA Connect. You can have a DC Connect. You can have a BDO Connect. You can have the PWD Engineers Connect. The objective is to listen to the people. The objective is to be able to reach out and be able to ask the people, is there a problem you're facing? Please tell us. Maybe I can help you. And if this kind of a process starts in governance, the impact is going to be huge. You can't imagine the impact it will have. It will change the lives of the people at the grassroots level. And that is what the power and the overall impact of CM Connect is. And that is why it's not just this 1 hour program, but it is the larger impact it will have on governance. But while I say that, I also want to stress, it's not that we can solve every problem. We may not be able to solve. I hope we can solve, but it's not easy. All of you will have different demands, different requirements, many challenges. It is not always possible for us to resolve everything. But being able to give that time to the people,